Hey, hello everyone, and welcome back to our D365 ERP channel. So, in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation module-wise training series, we have already started the production control module. In production control module, we have already published two episodes. In these two episodes, we have covered what we are going to cover in this playlist. In the second episode, we discuss about the basics of production, like we discuss about the production strategies, then plan to produce cycle, then we discuss about the some advanced and basics production terminologies. So if you are not watched that two episodes, I strongly recommended you guys to watch that episode and then continue with this new episode. So in this today's new episode, we are going to cover bill of material in the production. So we first cover what is BOM, then we discuss about the what is BOM versions with example, then we move forward with the BOM types and the BOM line types, and in the last we discuss about the raw material flushing principle. If you are watching my video first time, please subscribe to my channel. So let's start our video with the understanding of BOM and the BOM version. So first thing is, what is bill of material or BOM? A BOM, in simple term, a BOM is like a recipe for making a product. It's a list of all raw material component with their specific quantity needed for the production process. Similarly, then what is BOM version? So BOM version is like having a different versions of recipe. BOM is a recipe and the BOM version is different versions of that recipe. So in BOM version used when there are design update or material change or production methodology difference. So let's understand BOM and BOM version with one example. So let's say here I'm making a chair. So it's a simple, I'll keep this example as simple for the beginner. So let's say in making a chair we need three raw materials. One is wooden leg, one is seat base, and third is screw to join that whole chair. So here I also mention the quantity: 4 wooden legs required, 1 seat base is required, and 8 screw is required to make one chair. Also in the BOM version there is a two version of making same chair. So let's say you are first making a chair with a pine wood. It's a first version. So the process are same but the component is changed. In the version 2, it's a premium version of chair. So it's make using the oak wood. So that is difference between the BOM and the BOM version. So let's navigate to the dynamics and first create a BOM and then create a BOM version. We'll use the same example to demonstrate BOM and BOM version in dynamics. So let's move to the dynamics. So in the dynamics, to save our time, I have already created a raw material, because the raw material is same as how we create a product. If you are a beginner and don't know how to create a product, I have already created one video about how to create a product and product master. You guys can check out that video as well, or I'll add the link in the I section, so you just check out that episode. So here I have already created a raw material, but I have not created a FG, because in the FG I am going to tag all this raw material in the BOM section. So let's first create FG. So here I have already created a wooden leg, screw, pine wood seat, and oak wood seat base. So let's create a raw material. To create a raw material, click on new, add the product number. In the product number I keep the product number and the product name as same for this demonstration, but the product number can be created based on the number sequence. So this also I have already covered in our previous episode, so now I'm not going to spend time on that. So let's add chair, and in the product name also I keep it as a chair. The category for this demonstration I select all. In the item model group also I am selecting weighted average. This part is also I have covered. So if you are still confused in the product dimension, storage dimension, tracking dimension, item group, just check out my previous episodes. And in the unit I keep it as a piece. Okay, so sales unit also same, and in the BOM unit I also mention the same unit. And purchase price, I'm not purchasing this good, I'm producing this FG, so I'm not mention the purchase price. In the sales price I update as $100, and in the inventory price also I keep it as a blank. So I just click on OK. So our new FG is created. So let's tag the raw material in the BOM section. So first navigate to the engineer tab. Inside engineer tab you can see that the production type I keep it as a BOM. So here we have multiple options like co-product, byproduct and formula. These three are majorly used in the process manufacturing, but as I mentioned in our first episode, first we cover the discrete manufacturing process. So whole this today's episode is majorly focused on the BOM for the discrete manufacturing. So we are selecting the BOM. If you are selecting the none, means this product will not use for the production process. This is purely purchasing product, so that's why I keep it as a BOM. So here you also can see that, let's I click on the engineering section, the BOM section is enabled and the formula section is grayed out because here I'm selecting the BOM. Let's say I'm selecting the formula, so here you can see that the BOM version is now grayed out and the formula section is enabled for the configuration. So today I'm not going to touch the formula. I keep it, select the BOM. Inside the BOM, here we also have the flushing principle, but we'll discuss this in the last part of this video because currently we are in FG, and the flushing principle we are going to discuss on the raw material part. So let's not discuss this now. We click on the BOM version. So in the BOM version you can see that as I have created a new item, so there is no BOM version is here. So I just click on this new button. Here you will get the two option, one is BOM version and the second is BOM and the BOM version. So we'll click on this second version because still I have not created any BOM. So let's click on this second button. Here I'll add the name for this BOM, so let's keep it as share BOM 01. Okay, here we also have the functionality to copy, but currently we don't have any BOM to copy over here, so this copy functionality is not gonna work. And we have the option to select the site. So here I'm select the home foam production. So here now I'm creating a chair BOM 01 for site 3. Okay, so let's click on OK button. So now our BOM header is created, but lines we need to add the lines over here. So BOM is created. In the line section I click on this new button and add our raw material. So to add the raw material, so first we add the wooden leg. Here I mention the warehouse. Pick this raw material. Okay, so here important part is in the line level is quantity and per series. So as we discussed in our example, 4 wooden legs are required to making a 1 chair, 1 seat base and 8 screw. So let's go to the dynamics. So here the quantity is 4. So the 4 wooden legs are required per 1 series. So per series is a output or final product, the number of final products. So one final product is created from the 4 quantity. So similarly I'll add the next item. Now I'm adding pine wood sheet. Again select the warehouse 31, which is our raw material warehouse, and we keep it quantity as a 1 because 1 wood set base is required to create a one finished good. And the next is screw. So in the screw I'm selecting the again raw material, and here I'm selecting the 8 screw required to create a one chair. So now I save this one. So here we have created a BOM header and the BOM material lines, but here the next important part is line type. So let's again go back to our presentation, understand the BOM line type, and then we come back for the next configurations in the dynamics. So again we go to the, so we move to the types of BOM. So before moving to the BOM line type, we first discuss about the types of BOM. Usually in the production, the 5 major BOM types are in use. So first is engineering BOM. It's created during the product design and the development. It's a list of all the component as per the engineering perspective. Second is a manufacturing BOM, which are currently we are using, so used for the production and assembly. So in dynamics we are creating the manufacturing BOM. It's include all material sub assemblies process needed to manufacturing the product. Third is a configurable BOM. It supports a product customization and variants. In configurable BOM you have multiple option and configuration in the one single bill of material. Fourth is a costing BOM. It's used for the calculating the product cost. It's include the material, labor, overhead cost. In simple word, it's help in budgeting and cost analysis. And the last one is a planning BOM. It's used for the forecasting and the production planning. In planning BOM, it's usually help user to determine the material requirement. So these are the major 5 bill of material is used in the production. So let's move to the BOM line type. So first we understand what is BOM line type. BOM line type represent each material, service or ingredient needed to make a product. Let's say it helps to define how the raw material is used in the production and how it's consumed. So to better understand BOM line type, first we understand the types, so we'll get the better clarity about what is BOM line. So there are 4 BOM line types. First is item, second is phantom, third is vendor, and the fourth is packed supply. So item, if your raw material tag with the item BOM line, then it's directly consumed in the production. Example, raw material like screw, wood, metal sheet. So in phantom means is used when you break down the assembled part into the individual component at the production time. It helps to simplify the production by reducing the complexity. Here mention the example like in pre-assembly chair frame that is broken into a part when it needed. Third one is a vendor. A vendor is used when the production requires a subcontractor. It's automatically create sub-production or purchase order for outsourcing. Let's say in the production process we have one component which we not internally produce, we do the subcontracting or we create a purchase order for that particular product, we tag with the vendor. And the last BOM line type is packed supply. So it's used when you need to produce a specified part only when required. So it's not every time we producing, is specific to the scenario level. So let's say here the example of specific batch of component are manufacturing only when needed. It's not every time we produce that part. So here the phantom, I forgot to mention that the phantom is a part of multi-level BOM. To produce, let's say we are producing item A from item B and B from item C. So here the phantom is we break down the part B to use in the production cycle of part A. So multi-level BOM is also we are going to cover in our future episode. That's a bit complex part, so this is our first episode on the BOM journal, so let's keep it as simple. So let's we move to the dynamics and see where we are going to mention this BOM line type. So here we have wooden legs. So wooden leg in the BOM line type, you can see that it's item. So item, phantom, pack, supply and vendor. So here I select as a item only, because we are directly consume this wooden leg. We are not going to break any individual item or not going to purchase anything. In the pine wood seed base, let's keep it as a vendor. So whenever we select the vendor, we need, it's necessary to mention the vendor account in the subcontractor. So let's I select one vendor. So here I have mentioned the vendor account. As I already like add the approval vendor for pinewood seed base, that's why I'm not getting error. If you are getting any error regarding the approval process, just click on that item. In the item purchase tab, mention the approval vendor. You are not facing the this error message. And the third one, screws. So in the screw as well, I'm directly going to consume screw. I'm not going to purchase or like going to break anything, so I keep it as an item as well. So I hope you guys understand what is BOM line type. So let's save this one. So once we save all the setup, the next part is we need to approve this BOM. We have the option to approve from here as well, or go back to this part. Here we have the option to directly approval. So we click on this approval process. So in the approval, I'm using the Julia account, so that's why I have the option to approve this one. So do you want to approve this bill of material? Yes. So I click on OK. So now you can see that our BOM is approved. So the next step is activate this BOM, because only activated BOM is allowed to use in the production cycle. So in the next step, I click on this active button. So now you can see that our active process is also completed. So let's create a new BOM version. Click on this new, click on this BOM version. I again keep it as a chair dash BOM dash 02. And now I'm going to copy. Even in copy section, I'm planning to change one item in the raw material, but to save some time, I just click on this copy button. Again click on the site, select the same. I'm going to select the same site for this. Click on third. So you can see here the ID is 250. So I'm going to copy my BOM number 250 to the 251. So I just click on OK. Okay, so our new BOM version is created now. So let's make a necessary changes. So in the pine wood base, now I'm going to select the, just remove this one and select the oak wood seed base. So rest is same, just we have changed the pine wood seed base to oak wood seed base. So this is our next version of BOM. So similarly we can go back to this, click on this, approve this BOM. Yes, I'm going to use this BOM and click on the activate button. So now you can see that the BOM version is conflict with the chair BOM version V1. Check data interval from quantity and site. Now I'm start getting this error because we are creating a two BOM version for the same site. So how system know to which BOM version is used in the which scenario? So here three option we have, as it's mentioned, date interval, from quantity and site. So first we can change the site, but once it's already created we can change the site. And in real life business scenario, if you want to create a two BOM version for the one site, the next part we have the second option is to quantity. Let's say if you are doing the production for 10 quantity, in that scenario I'm going to use the standard chair. So I keep it as a 10 and BOM version is for 1, and try to save this and try to activate. So see, now I am not getting any error and it's successfully activated because I have changed the from quantity. You also have the third option, like change the from date and to date. Let's say I'm going to create a standard chair from 1st Jan to 30th March, and after the 30th March I'm going to create a premium chair with a oak wood. So in that scenario you can change the from date or to date. So that is called the interval. So in the BOM version, interval is an important part. So site, from quantity, and from date and to date, these three options we have to change the interval. So here we have created a BOM and BOM version and BOM line type. So again, let's go back to our presentation and check out the next part. So the next part is flushing principle. So the flushing principle in the production control refers to the how raw materials are going to consume during the production. So the flushing principle defines when material are deducted from the inventory and moved to the WIP, work in progress. So in dynamics we have four flushing principle. One is manual, start, finish and available at location. So manual means material consumption is recorded manually. Start means material are consumed when production starts. So as soon as I start the production process, our material are start consuming. And the finish means once the production full production cycle completed, then raw material are consumed, means simply deducted from the inventory. And available at location means material are consumed when they are peak production. This four principle, each principle is in use in different scenario based on your production requirement. I'll give you the link where Microsoft mention all four flushing principle with their specific scenarios, so you guys can refer that as well. So let's go back to the dynamics and I'll show you where this flushing principle is mentioned in our raw material. So here we again go back to our release product detail. Here in the wooden legs, let's open any raw material. In the raw material section, in the engineering part, in the raw material product engineering part, here we have the flushing principle. So for all raw material I keep flushing principle at start. So once the production order is created, production process has started, it's automatically get deducted or consumed from the inventory. So these are the four principles which we will discuss. So based on your scenario, you are going to select the flushing principle for each raw material. Similarly, to check out the BOM version, as we have created a BOM version for on the product level, we also have the BOM master. So to check the BOM product master, we again go back to the production information management. Let's collapse all in the bill of material and formulas. Click on the bill of materials. So here you can see that all the bill of material master is here. So all approved or unapproved BOM version you can see over here with their unique BOM numbers. So here also you have that option to approval or check the BOM version. Check. So let's again go back to our product and I'll show you one more thing I forgot to show you in the release product. Let's go back to the release product, again open our FG engineering product BOM version. In the bill of material section, BOM version, we click on the bill of material. Here we have the option to check. So let's click on this check button. So what is check BOM or formula? So let's say we are using the multi-level BOM. The product A is created from the product B, product B is created from the product C, and the product C is created from the product D. So by mistake I am looped the product C to the product A, which create a irregularity in our production cycle, because the product A is created from the product B, but by mistake assign the product C to the product A. This time we'll to avoid this kind of situation, we run the check circularity. So this is run in the background. So once you run the check circularity, it's a batch job which check all the BOM version or multi-level BOMs are not conflicting with each cycle. So this also important part I forgot to add in the BOM part, so we are discussing now. So I hope this episode will help you to understand BOM versions, BOM line type, flushing principle, different types of BOM. So if you like this video, please click on like button, comment on this video if you have any feedback, and please make sure you subscribe to our channel. I have already published our content calendar for this new year, so please check out that calendar as well to keep updated with our video publishing dates. So stay tuned with us, we are going to start a new module as well, and thank you for watching.